Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making tacos. So I have made some dough previously in my previous videos about the tortilla dough recipe. I'll put the link in the description below. This is the same dough. I have refrigerated this for since yesterday, and now we're going to be using this to make tacos. This dough can be refrigerated for about 1 to 2 days, and after refrigerating it and when you're going to use it, you should put some oil over it and just like let us and knead it one more time to soften it again. So we need the dough. I'm using a 4-inch round lid, or you could use a cutter, and I'll be needing a knife. I have some tissue, parchment paper, and a cotton cloth for when we're shaping the tacos. So I'm gonna start by rolling this dough out into a long shape, and so I'm just gonna go do that. I have spread some flour on the counter so that the dough doesn't. Now that this is rolled out, I'm going to use my knife and just cut some pieces out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So around 6 are being made from this. So I'm just gonna take one of my pieces and roll it out. So now that this is done, I'm just going to take some flour, sprinkle it on the working station and on top of the dough. I'm just gonna dust it off. I'm just gonna roll this out. For the tacos, we don't want it too thin, so when you're shaping them, they would just break in half. So, So I'm just gonna add a little bit more flour on top of this. And you just want it big enough to be around 4 inches. So now I'm just going to use this, just press it in. Because this doesn't have sharp edges, I'm just gonna go over it with a knife to cut it out. So this is our shape. So these are rolled out. I have some leftover dough here. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of the leftover dough and take one of the proper dough. You can see if the oil is heated by just putting this in, and if there are bubbles coming and this just browns and puffs up at once, that means it's ready. So because that's ready, I'm just going to take this out, put this in the side, and I'm going to take our big one and put this in. So I'm going to let this fry until it's golden brown, and then I'm going to have this ready. So the tissue will absorb all the oil, and this rolling pin will help it keep its shape. So I'm just gonna put this. So now this is ready. I'm just gonna do this, and so now that this has taken the shape, we're going to bring it over here and keep it in this plate and do the filling. So you want to keep it in its thing for as long as it takes the shape. So I'm just gonna add in our So now that the taco shells are cooked, let's fill them in. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below for this taco filling. So let's do this. So I'm just gonna fill this in. I'm just going to, yeah. So If you want any sauces, you can put them on. I'm using barbecue sauce. It's gonna be... So, there's a taco. So, Bilal would like to taste it. Here.
Oh my God.
Just bite into it. How is it? Fall.
Oh my God, it's so awesome.
These are tacos. If you guys want to see more of my videos, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Awesome.